How to see your properties on booking.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to see your properties on your booking.com. So first thing, just head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply head over to booking.com official website and make sure you are logged into account. Now to see your property you can simply tap on this list your property button, but always make sure you have registered it, because unless and until you do not register you cannot see any of the properties you have over here. So basically currently I haven't registered it, so in my case it will not be shown, but in your case if you have already registered it you should be able to see all of your properties by simply heading over to this my account section of your profile icon and simply scrolling down and clicking on this list your property button over here. So since I haven't signed up or registered for that, it will not show for me, so you can simply continue your registration if you have already and click on this and you shall be able to view all of your properties list over here. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.